Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut to resize images on iPhone. Now let's go ahead and open the shortcut right here, and we're going to go ahead and create a new one. So I'm going to click this one right here, and there are a couple of things that we are going to do from this point forward. Now the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and look for resize option. All right, there you go. And then we're going to go ahead and tap on this one right here, and we're going to go ahead and click show in share sheet. Click this one, and we're going to go ahead and click this clear, and we're just going to go ahead and enable for images. Click this one, and then from here we're going to go back to resize. So you have here, click this, and we're going to go ahead and change it to shortcut input. And from here you have the size right here. Right now it's currently trying to resize to 640 pixels. I'm going to go ahead and click this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose ask each time. And for the height, no need for that. It's just going to adjust depending on the width, basically locking the aspect ratio. And then I'm going to go ahead and click add again. We're going to look for convert. Click this one right here. Make sure that it's converted to JPEG, and then go ahead and click the share button right here. Click this one, and yeah, that is how it should be looking. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. I'm just going to rename this, and we're going to go ahead and say resize photos right here. So it seems like we are done right here. I'm going to go ahead and click this just to ensure that everything is okay. So yeah, this time I'm going to go over to the image. We're going to find or something that we can change. Say, for example, something like this. If I'm going over and click the eye right here, you can see the size of the image right here. So it's 678 by 452. Now we can go over to this one. Click this. And then I want you to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, and you should be able to see here resize photos. Go ahead and click that one over there and choose width right here. Let's go over and type 300, for example. Click done. And yeah, once we're seeing something like this, I'm going to go ahead and click save image. And then if we are going over down below, you should be able to see here the image that you have resized. Click the I button right here, and there you go. So yeah, again, that is how you are going to create a shortcut to resize images on iPhone.